from Wessex Blades for a very short time. Books are open. I'm looking for about 5, maybe 6 orders just to move the books forward a little bit. Interesting blades available. Don't want to go too crazy. But if you've been hankering after a Wessex blade, now's the time to get it. Age checks, obviously. Holding deposit, 50% deposit. Could be Goloks. Got jackals. That's
He's a bushcraft-tastic.
The reason is, I'm finally getting to the end of that 4-year one waiting list. Yeah, 4-year. Because if you remember, I did that Leuku for Mike Pullen, TA Outdoors. You know TA Outdoors. Well, after I did that knife for him, once he did that winter vid, I had so much interest, I couldn't keep up. So basically, all those Leukus and the interest from the vid, I had to close my books within a couple of months. Been virtually closed ever since. So now's an opportunity. I'm going to be open for a very short time. Maybe take 5 or 6 orders on, 50% deposits, get your age check, sort it out. Wessex Blades UK at yahoo.com. I'm very low volume and I'll make things as distinctive as I can. So if you're interested in getting a Wessex blade for a very short time, my books are open. What are we waiting for? Wessex Blades UK.
What are we waiting for?